Finally, Elon Musk reveals new location of Gigafactory in China. Rumors about a new Tesla factory in China have been circulating for some time. Now Elon Musk just confirmed it and revealed that Tesla is about to set up a new Gigafactory. He's also hinted at the possible location for the factory, and although the details are hazy as of now, everything points to China. But why would Tesla opt to construct another Gigafactory in China? What's the performance of the current factory in China? And what does China have to offer to influence this kind of decision? It's been reported more than once recently that Tesla was on the lookout for more land on which to build its new Gigafactory. Some went even further to suggest that Elon Musk wanted to set up the Gigafactory in Russia because, as you may be aware, Musk was recently invited to Russia by the Russian space chief. This information cannot be entirely disputed because we've also come to learn that Russia has a keen interest in Tesla and Musk, which is unsurprising given that the entire globe is now watching Tesla. This also comes as Musk has mentioned at the beginning of the year that Tesla is close to establishing a foothold in Russia. Musk, however, rejected the allegations, although he did imply that the company is still debating on the location. Now that Tesla hit $1 trillion in capitalization, everyone wants a piece of the pie. The new Gigafactory location is a critical piece of the puzzle. Everyone is speculating, and this time, the Chinese media claims that Tesla has chosen Qingdao as the site of its next facility. If right, this would be the company's second shop in China. All this comes just a month later after the Russian rumors had settled. Qingdao is located in Shandong province and is an ideal site for the company's manufacturing facility. Now, a statement from Grace Tao, Tesla's Director of Government Affairs and Public Relations in China, denies that Tesla has chosen Qingdao, although she appears to indicate that a new Gigafactory is underway. Grace Tao says that for Tesla, the privilege of helping China's new energy industry thrive is an honor, and the company will continue to boost its investment in China. Now, I want you to note that statement because I'll come back to it, and because Tesla CEO Elon Musk reaffirmed the company's commitment to China, saying the company will continue to invest in the nation. What type of investment would this be? Adding more workers? New and improved machinery? I'm pretty sure that's not what Musk meant, because as you might have heard, Giga Shanghai is working at full capacity. Tesla would be wise to expand its operations in China in light of the success of Gigafactory Shanghai. Within 2 years of opening Gigafactory Shanghai, the manufacturer was able to produce 450,000 electric vehicles per year. In terms of automobile manufacturing, this may be the fastest production ramp ever seen. Grace Tao also said that she's recently gotten a slew of media questions regarding the second factory, and while she would love to respond to each one, she just couldn't. However, she made it clear that everybody should know that the information on Tesla's second factory news on websites is false. There are currently 3 Tesla Gigafactories now in operation and are located in Nevada, New York, and Shanghai respectively. Now, when you consider a second Gigafactory in China, if Tesla decides to construct a new one, it would be a great idea. In 2014, Tesla began building the Tesla factory in Buffalo, New York, which produced a few Tesla cars. But now, Giga New York is focusing on solar energy rather than EVs. Giga Nevada, on the other hand, holds one of the largest data centers in the United States and is located in Nevada's Story County. It celebrated its official opening back in 2016. Tesla's electric vehicles rely on battery packs manufactured by Giga Nevada. It does not, however, provide the battery packs required for electric vehicles built in China. Giga Shanghai, or the Gigafactory 3, was completed by the end of the year after rapid construction began in early 2018. Currently, it assembles the Tesla Model 3 and the Tesla Model Y. Tesla is also working on other factories as well, and according to recent reports, production on Giga Berlin has been delayed for a while now. Now, I'm not entirely sure of the reasons behind the delayed production, but Tesla seems to be giving more attention to the Giga Shanghai cash cow. Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory now produces more cars than the company's Fremont, California plant. Even while a global chip shortage has hurt car makers around the world, Tesla's operations in China appear to have overcome these supply chain issues. In the third quarter of this year, the electric vehicle manufacturer achieved record-breaking sales and profit as production and demand in China remained up. Earlier this month, Tesla acknowledged that it was experiencing global supply chain and logistical problems in a news release. However, it did not seem to affect their production, since there were 241,300 vehicles delivered worldwide, a 73% increase in output in the third quarter over the same period last year. China remained Tesla's primary export hub throughout the third quarter, as the company noted in its quarterly financial report. Now the Tesla China vice president has openly disputed the speculation of Tesla's second Gigafactory, saying that the information being spread online concerning the location of the second Gigafactory is untrue. Did she, however, deny the existence of any such plans? No, she did not deny the possibility that Tesla may be building a second Gigafactory in China, but she did deny the location. It's also noteworthy that Tesla's second Gigafactory in Asia could be located in another country. For example, a few Asian countries have both a full supply chain and reasonably well-trained technical staff, like these Chinese cities. In Grace Tao's statement, using the word currently is critical, since I believe that they are still negotiating with other cities and have not yet decided on a location. So, tell me where you think the new Gigafactory is going to be. But for now, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.